Good afternoon. This is Stephen Bartlett, and I'm going to explain how my safety can be used to support the collection of competency data for forest works managers. My safety has been developed from some established software which my company Invigilatus has built over many years for work management. And over the last year or two, we have extended my safety to provide an extensive solution which will cover quite a number of interesting aspects of forest management. Using mobile technology with a SQL backend, users can collect and share a wealth of forestry data. To collect competency information, users go to the reporting screen, and that is visible on the left hand and smaller of the two screenshots, and the user that we're showing you has access to a series of different reports: incidents, access, signage, environmental, and the last item there is the Forest Works Management CPD report. When you click on that, the larger screen on the right opens, and that allows you to identify the different types of competency information that you may wish to collect. Assuming you have clicked on the contract management type of competency, you then come to the next screen, which allows you to determine which aspect you are going to report. And again, you're faced with a drop down of information, and once you have selected the appropriate item that you wish to collect information on, you then move on to the last screen in this section, which allows you to determine if you are actually at work or at an event. You can add additional information about the competency that you're recording, and you can add a photo, and together that package of information makes up a competency record. It is worth reiterating that the data set for each competency record comprises of the items that are on this screen, and it allows you to build a well-structured resource to handle competency. From the competency records, one can extract information, and this can be at any level for individuals, for employers, and it is possible to generate an industry-wide passport, and I will speak about that in a moment. The framework provides an excellent basis for assembling competency information, and it would be possible to provide this to all members of the industry. Some of you may have heard me speak before, and I reference the poultry industry, where this type of record is used. Every employee in the UK poultry industry has a passport. Wherever they go, they take their skills and competency information with them, so that it makes it extremely easy to move between employers, and it provides a high level of transparency of information. And I hope the forestry industry will move in that direction. Just as the forest works managers are embarking on a competency program, there are similar moves afoot for chainsaw operators, and the tool that we have is ideally suited to handling that information. Again, one would simply provide a way of identifying what element of competency one was recording, and then the system is suited to running a time record system which is automated and on the mobile device, so that competency could be recorded and time-based records built. To conclude, MySafety provides an ideal way of gathering competency records, and I look forward to any questions that you may have in the question and answer session.